Hey there, business owners and nonprofit leaders. Welcome back to our Cybersecurity Awareness Month educational series. I'm Randall Martinez, Vice President of Technical Services for IT Pros Management Group. And today, we're going to talk about something super important, password security. Passwords are the first line of defense against cyber threats. But did you know that 81% of data breaches are due to weak or stolen passwords? And here's another shocking stat. 59% of people use the same password for multiple accounts. And get this, 23 million account holders still use 123456 as their password. Does this sound like you? It's time to step up our password game. But don't worry, we're here to help you create strong and unique passwords. As a U.S. Army veteran, I know the importance of strong defenses. In the military, we use multiple layers of security to protect our assets. The same principle applies to password security. Just like in the military, your passwords need to be strong and unique. Here are some tips to help you create secure passwords. First, use a mix of letters and numbers and special characters. Second, avoid using guessable information like your name, date of birth, children's names. And third, make sure you use a password manager to keep track of your passwords and to help you generate new, strong passwords. No matter the size of your industry or business, implementing these simple tricks and tips can make a big difference. And guess what? We're offering a complimentary cybersecurity strategy session to help you get started. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link below to schedule a session with me. Let's make your password business secure. Stay tuned for more information about cybersecurity during our Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Let's get your password game up to speed. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax. IT is covered.